Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm here to show you a 2021 Lance 975 truck camper. It has got a few changes for the 2021 year and it's very nice, mostly the interior decor, and looks super nice. You better check one out. Come on inside, let me show you. Here we're inside the Lance camper. Notice the new 2021 decor colors, very nice. Nice kitchen, rear kitchen floor model with the dry bath. It's going to give you plenty of room in the shower and toilet with being separated, so we have a dry toilet after we get out of the shower. Lots of cabinet space throughout for what you can use in a camper. A nice bright skylight above with a shade, and this particular model has the all-weather package, so it's going to have the insulated vinyl snap-in covers for all the vents. We do have a pull-down, glide-down table to make a second bed. This has the MCD dual roller shades. And when you open up the cabinetry, an idea on the interior wall structure, I can show you when we open the drawer underneath the dinette that they use a European plywood that makes it a lot stronger for interior walls and roof and cabinetry. It's half the weight as your standard normal plywood, but it's just as strong, if not stronger. So it's a real nice material to build an RV with to give you the strength that you're looking for in an RV. So I want to point that out to you as well, because I don't know of any other manufacturer using that material on their interior structure or walls. So very nice. The cabinetry is all cut with a high-end CNC machine, so you don't have any GIMP moldings around between the cabinetry area and the ceiling or on the walls, because it's all cut to darn near the exact dimensions where it's supposed to be. You have no, all your cuts are going to be very good. That's another highlight for the Lance camper, as well as the Lance locking system is the aluminum structure that they use versus brand XY on the camper products. Large appliances, big oven, big water capacities, big LP capacities, as well as a 12-volt TV, big gas and electric refrigerator freezer, nice closet space in the bathroom with a big queen bed. Again, another skylight above the bed with a shade that can open up and be screened to keep the bugs out but let the breeze in, or just keep it dark and be able to get a good night's sleep. This unit has the roof air and also has the insulation underneath the mattress to help keep it insulated through those cold times if you want to use it during the winter. So this 975 here is pretty well equipped. It's got most everything. It's missing maybe a couple features, but that are extra additional options. But this one does have the onboard generator, the large ultra deck, side awning, slide out topper, rear power awning, rear backup camera. This can go on a single rear wheel truck, but you would want to make sure it's a heavy duty one, preferably a 3500 or a 350 to handle this size camper. It is a very nice camper, but yet to go along with a nice size camper is going to bring the weight, so we want to make sure we're set up with the right truck to go on the right camper. And if you have questions that may relate to, is my truck big enough or the right truck for a certain camper, feel free to contact me and we could go over those details and find out and make sure you get the right fit so you're safe with the family going down the road.